Hello, kids. Welcome to English Easy Way. Today, we are going to learn 300 easy English sentences that you can use every single day. So, let's speak, learn, and have lots of fun together. Ready? Let's begin. Good morning.
Good morning.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
The milk is cold.
The milk is cold.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I wear my clothes.
I wear my clothes.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I pack my school bag.
I pack my school bag.
I go to school.
I go to school.
The bus is here.
The bus is here.
I wave goodbye to my parents.
I wave goodbye to my parents.
Repeat after me. I go to school.
I go to school.
At school. I sit with my friends.
I sit with my friends.
We talk and laugh.
So we talk and laugh.
The bell rings.
And the bell rings.
I go to class.
I go to class.
The teacher is kind.
The teacher is kind.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I draw a picture.
I draw a picture.
I listen to my teacher.
I listen to my teacher.
I ask questions.
I ask questions.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
The playground is fun.
The playground is fun.
I do my homework. I do my homework. I read a story.
I read a story.
I go home. At home. I see my mom.
I see my mom.
I hug my dad.
I hug my dad.
I eat a snack.
I eat a snack.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I help my mom.
I help my mom.
We set the table.
We set the table.
We eat dinner together.
Oh, we eat dinner together.
I talk to my family.
I talk to my family.
We laugh and share stories.
We laugh and share stories.
I help clean up.
I help clean up.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
I wear my pajamas.
I wear my pajamas.
I read a bedtime story.
I read a bedtime story.
I hug my parents.
I hug my parents.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I turn off the light.
I turn off the light.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
I dream sweet dreams.
I dream sweet dreams.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Wow, kids! You just practiced 300 easy English sentences. Part 1. Keep repeating these every day. And soon, you'll speak English confidently. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Easy Way, where learning English is always fun and easy.